Good morning, everybody. It's Kay. As you can see by the sky here, it is very cloudy. It is overcast to 700 feet. We followed an instrument flight plan, but take a look who I have with me today. The whole fam is here. So without further ado, we'll see you in the sky. I knew that was gonna happen.
Good morning, Stinson Ground, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa. I'd like to pick up IFR clearance to Tango Mike Echo, please.
Yeah, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa clears the Houston Executive Airport via the radar vectors of turn. Tango 256, Ladret. Direct after departure, fly heading 140, climb maintain 2,500. Expect 7,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 127.1. Squawk 4640.
Gracious. 46, really? Alright, 4640. Okay, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa is cleared to Houston Executive, Tango Mike Echo via radar vectors to Churn, Tango 256, El Direct, and then direct. Climb maintain 2,500, we'll expect 7,000 within 10 minutes. Frequency 127.1, squawk 4640, and we will fly heading 140 on departure for Hotel Papa.
Seneca 4 Hotel Papa, read correct, verify you have information on whiskey.
We do have information whiskey, and we are also ready to taxi. We're just here at the FBO for Hotel Papa.
Seneca 4 Hotel Papa, right your way, 14 taxi via taxi alpha.
14 via Alpha for Hotel Papa, thanks.
We're not 12, Roger. Turn left taxiway Alpha. And so are you requiring the assistance?
Okie dokie. Everything else is looking good. 4640 on the squawk. Brakes are set. Room for takeoff. Looks good here. Flight controls. Alright, watch your knees. Tails up, tails down. Trim looks good. Left turn, left aileron. Right aileron is down. And right turn, right aileron up, left one is down. Flight controls are free and correct. Instruments, we've got a little bit of wind here, but airspeed reads 0, blue over brown, wings are level.
Good morning.
Stinson Tower, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, holding short 14, ready for departure.
Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, Stinson Tower, 14, clear for takeoff, wind 130 at 7.
14, clear for takeoff. Thank you for the wind check for Hotel Papa. There 2000, everything is looking good, all gauges in the green. Pressure a little high, so we'll pull just a little bit of that back. There we go.
You're good.
Speed's alive, maintaining center line, looking for that 79, 76, and boom. Hi, Stinson!
That's a weird feeling takeoff because we were going downhill.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Yep. Tap the brakes, gears coming up, no runway remaining. Woo. Right, all 3 lights are out, none in the mirror, looks good. Keep that climb coming, hello.
Seneca 4 Hotel Papa, contact hands on departure, have a good flight.
Over to departure, we'll see you next time for Hotel Papa, thank you.
Approach Southwest 485 is out of 16, descending via the Cuervo, November.
South 45, San Antonio approach, roger, expect RNAV 13 right.
Okay, we're all set up for the Zulu if that works out.
Roger.
Good morning. morning, San Antonio, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, checking in, climbing through 1,400.
484 Hotel Papa, San Antonio departure, ident, climb and maintain 7,000.
Ident, climb, maintain 7,000 for Hotel Papa.
Hotel Papa, ready to contact 3 stops east of Stinson, turn left direct churn.
Left direct turn for Hotel Papa.
Southwest 1267, you're about 12
Didn't do
miles
it.
from Pelican, turn left
Didn't do it.
160, 3000.
I did, it shows it here.
Didn't do it on mine.
Right.
That shows it.
San Antonio approach.
It shows that you're going churn.
6,500. That's ready to, you're about 5.5 miles in trail to 737, caution link turbulence, contact tower 119.8.
Teammate, appreciate the help, 382.
Hello, Cloud. Good morning.
Southwest 45 at...
Oh, that's a rolly one.
Zulu
I can
13
see
right.
it rolling over. There's the roll.
Tulsa, clear the RNAV Zulu 13 right.
We're supposed to be quiet when we go through clouds.
Baby, please, no talking, Case. Going through clouds.
San Antonio departure, King Air 543, Hotel Charlie, 1600, climbing for 5010.
Papa, Hotel Charlie, San Antonio departure.
You're feisty.
Contact, climb, maintain 13.
Oh,
13,000, Hotel Charlie.
Yeah, you are. .33, that's about what I'm at. 2,600, we're not gonna do. I don't feel like hearing the alarm. Sure is
2,500.
good. Fuel pumps are good. Prop sync is good. Yaw dampener we don't have. Our
34.8.
flaps are currently still open.
The American
Instruments
23
look good.
5,000, turn
Lights
left
are
direct
off,
Yoda.
and flight plan is open.
direct, left direct Kyoto, American 2312.
We're going to try a maximum cruise power and see what we get out of it.
Ooh, we're gonna go fast. Just kidding, we go fast anyway.
Hotel
How you doing back there, Mom? You all right? I'm good. Sound sleepy. Huh? Sound sleepy. I'm all right. Gonna put your feet up and relax, take a little snooze on the way
6
home?
miles,
Might.
southwestbound on the arrival, 7,000 for 6,737.
All right, Amber. What is 177 times 1.15?
My phone's dead.
203 miles per hour.
Sweet! Ow! We're level at 7,000. RPMs are set to 2,500 or so, and manifold pressure is about 34.5, 34.6. Indicated we are going 147, true 169, and ground speed 164. We do have a variable headwind right now, but...
164 is in knots, so we're roughly at 200 miles per hour.
I know you want to see the clouds.
South 3655.
I want to see the clouds. Might as well.
Number 4 Hotel Papa, contact Austin approach 119.0.
119.0, take care of 4 Hotel Papa. Hello, Austin, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, checking in 7,000.
After takeoff checklist, please. Yep. Use caution, I'm getting a stuck mic on 119.0.
We can hear it. Austin approach, good morning, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, with you 7000.
Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, Austin approach, good morning, Austin 73016.
3016 for Hotel Papa, thanks.
2458, cleared record payday.
Off my altitude because we climbed a little with the altimeter change.
Now you're doing great.
Center 134.2.
Trying to get the feel of this girl, aren't you?
Love this
Just
little
in time
birdie
to get
bird.
her autopilot fixed.
Yep. Which honestly, I'm like you and I talked about the other day, I'm really glad because it forced me to learn everything about this airplane as much as I could, that I can comfortably hand fly it through clouds, on approaches. You know, it'd be nice if I didn't have to worry so much about altitude, but it's really making me, you know, dial in this airplane.
We always have essential things we need in an airplane. Here's el numero uno.
Dagu, cross Dagu.
I have chapstick. It gets really dry up high.
18 approach into Georgia.
Clear direct Dagu, cross Dagu at 3,100.
That's his essential item. You want to know what mine is?
Yeah, what?
Papa, contact approach 127.22.
127.22. Have a good one for Hotel Papa.
I'm gonna say it's coffee.
Yes, ma'am. My mom knows me way too well.
Mother like daughter.
Ah, that's true. Good morning, Austin. Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, checking in 7000.
484 Hotel Papa, Austin approach altimeter 3016.
3016 for Hotel Papa, thanks.
I bet I could do plane steps in here.
Oh no.
See it. Do it.
Should I try?
This is my wife's exercise right here. Look at it. She can get exercise up here. She does couch steps. Now she's got plane steps.
Hey!
12,
That is absolutely ridiculous. I will not be doing that up here. Don't you get any ideas either. You'll knock my yoke. Hello, the people. How was your first time flying in Mystic? Your first overnight? Just being able to go and hit the town and not really have any worries. What'd you think?
Oh, I thought it was great. Mystic's a great bird. You do a great job flying her.
You want to tell them about your chunky peanut butter comment yesterday?
It was valid. I'm sticking with it.
As requested, from here on out, whenever I do these trips, I am going to try to show you a little bit about what I do after I land. So I did a little shopping. You may or may not recognize that hat. And then I got to check out Coyote Ugly Saloon for the first time ever. Fun fact, it's one of my favorite movies. Not gonna lie, that was a total blast. So I rewarded myself with some Ben & Jerry's ice cream, and then I got the real show of the trip.
Wanna love you like your cousin would. You're fine. So kind. Wanna tell the world what you. All right.
Good morning, Houston. Seneca 484 Hotel Papa with you, 7000.
Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, Houston Approach Control, good morning. It is Echo, should be current as executive now. Expect the RNAV approach runway 18.
Roger, I'll advise as soon as I can pick up Echo, and we'll expect RNAV 18 for Hotel Papa. Thank you.
We're only 15 minutes away, but if you think about it, it's 60 miles, so we can't pick it up. This airplane goes so fast, 15 minutes, 60 miles.
Well, you said it's information to Echo, and we're going to be doing the RNAV 18 anyway, so there are clouds.
Oh, and it says it's receiving.
1500 Zulu, wind 190 at 8, visibility 9, ceiling 2,300 broken, temperature 32, dew point 26, altimeter 3016, expect RNAV approach runway 18, all pilots read back with short instructions, advise on initial contact, give information to Echo.
Was that for 484 Hotel Papa?
Yes, ma'am. See you back on frequency. Procedure BIM team, join the RNAV 18 on approach course, November 484 Hotel Papa.
Roger, we will head direct to BIMT and join the RNAV 18 approach, 484 Hotel Papa. Thank you. All right, you want to do it or you want me to?
Know how to do it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we scroll down here, procedure, RNAV, BIMT, RNAV, BIMT, correct. Hey.
No. I don't think that worked.
I know it's in here because I just did this. Our nav. Let's see.
Yeah, just go down.
There it is.
There it is.
I'm trying to see what all this thing is capable of doing too.
Did you say to descend too? What do you
Oh.
just stay at this altitude?
Why are we turning?
We're
We're going to a new waypoint.
We're starting our approach.
Oh, why'd they switch us? They didn't switch us. Oh.
Putting us on the approach to the airport, babe.
Oh, okay. Can't get below the clouds VFR, so we're gonna shoot the full approach to come into land, so we don't have to worry about it as much. I got it. Okay. All right, this time around, we are gonna try flaps 2.5, see if I can slow myself down when I'm on final. I think that's been my biggest problem, is I'm just coming in too fast. And both of these pools around me concur, so. All right. This approach will be climbed to 2000 direct to Zurich. Butchered that. And on track traffic. Oh, it's us. And on track 203 to Ebir and hold. Frequencies, we've already got our weather frequency in here. Tower will be 126.975. That looks good. And we'll take a look at this. We'll be at or above 2000, then we'll get to Cagso, at or above 2000. That's when we'll start slowing down. At Dilray, we'll be at or above 2000, which is our final approach fix where we will configure to land. Gear will come down, flaps will go in, mixture and props will be full forward, lights will be on. That'll give us plenty of time to get established and be comfortable before it's time to touch down. Descend, maintain 2000 now, 484 Hotel Papa. We're gonna do it very slow, try to stay out of these clouds.
They are reporting a ceiling.
Roger that, 4 Hotel Papa, thanks. All right, gonna go through some more clouds, Mother, are you prepared? Ready. Pull some of this back. Push some of this forward. Put a forward trim here. We've got 5,000 feet to lose, and we have 35 nautical miles until we reach our first fix, which is BIMT. We're not in any huge rush. He even said no rush, but we're gonna start. And hey, I don't know about you guys, but I'd like to get some more cloud flying in because it's not a very thick layer at all. So.
They look a little bumpy.
They do, but we'll be all right. That is really cool. Good morning, Houston. Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, checking in, descending through 6,300 for 2,000.
Seneca 484 Hotel Papa, East approach 28 miles from BIMT, cross BIMT, at or above 2,000, cleared RNAV runway 18 approach.
Cross BIMT, at or above 2,000, cleared RNAV 18 approach for Hotel Papa, appreciate it. A traffic alert, is that us still?
That's us, yeah. Okay, we got some clouds. This will be not fun, maybe.
It's gonna be fine, gosh.
November 09 or golf is craze or marks on your flight plan?
Right, ready, Mother? Ready!
All right, keep us under that yellow line, because we might be bumpy. Slow us down a little, because we're kind of close.
I'm already working on it.
November 57 Lima traffic no
You'll notice that our manifold pressure is way lower now.
Cross Bashji at or above 2,000, cleared RNAV runway 17.
Our dad's like a walking NOTAM. He's something.
Let's see how bad. Looks like it's going to be bumpy.
Departure 807 Papa Alpha at 1,000.
That was bumpy.
Wasn't ready for that.
500 feet.
November 807 Papa Alpha, East on departure, radar contact, resume navigation.
That's one of those bumps we didn't like.
Is it gonna happen again? Oh yeah.
Cherokee
All the way down.
Juliet, squawk 5373.
Houston, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa. We've got a really good build up right in front of us. Is it okay if we continue to deviate about 10 degrees?
Seneca 4 Hotel Papa, affirmative, left and right deviations approved, and when able, direct to BIMT for the approach.
Roger, left and right deviations approved, and we'll let you know as soon as we're direct back to BIMT for the approach. 4 Hotel Papa, appreciate it.
You can go right here.
Number 85 Juliet.
I was just gonna go this way and get below the clouds.
105, good day now.
Got plenty of time.
305, we'll see you. 85 Juliet.
I mean, these are gonna get bumpier.
Increase your descent then.
All right, 900 feet a minute. What do you want to descend
All
at?
right, well, it's fine, I guess. We could have gone here too. That's going to put us in them. Go.
You're fine, Dad. I got it. Thank you. We're going to go through this little hole right here.
All right. Oh, here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Let's try to get over there. Be bumpy. That wasn't too bad.
That first one was a lot bumpier. We'll stay here and then we'll go direct to BIMT. Get out of these clouds here shortly. Another reason I love being on an instrument flight plan, man. You just tell him what you need. Although Dad's gonna try to tell me what he thinks we should do. Told you. Dad's job, though. A walking NOTAM. What is a NOTAM, Mom? Notice to airmen.
Oh, brilliant. I didn't just marry gorgeous, I married smart.
Got a twofer.
14, Quebec, traffic to 1 o'clock, 5 miles, appears to be orbiting. Altitude indicates 4,400.
We're looking for him, sending now for 3,900.
And I think you can turn direct now because we're past the cloud.
Pretty much. Kind of just slowly getting over there. That one's really gray.
Yeah, it's darker.
Yeah.
Got a lot of moisture in it.
Gonna be rain soon.
Supposed to rain today?
Not supposed to, but that cloud tells me otherwise. Right, go ahead and go direct back to BIMT for me.
2,000 for now, for the ceiling.
Okay.
Thank you kindly.
That was 807 pop-off. We'll like to stay at 2,000 for now for the ceiling. First up pop-off, roger. Altitude, your discretion, maintain VFR. Altitude at our discretion.
Looks like we're just about under them, so we are definitely going to get under them.
Perfect. And Houston, Seneca 484 Hotel Papa is back direct to BIMT.
Seneca 4 Hotel Papa, roger. Still BIMT at or above 2. Still cleared RNAV, runway 18 approach.
Okay, still cleared RNAV 18 approach. We'll stay at or above 2,000 for Hotel Papa, thanks.
Grumman 57 Lima, contact Sugarland Tower 118.65. Take care.
Sugarland.
Our old home.
November 89er Papa, outside of Bravo airspace. Contact Houston Center 132.15.
I'll be able to see the airport.
3215, 89er Papa, have a good day.
What's the air temperature now? 80.
November 09er Golf, climate maintain 5,000. Climate maintain 5,000.
I'd have myself a couple of beers today when I get home.
November 85 Juliet, Houston approach. Nanza 14 Quebec, traffic no factor. 14 Quebec, thank you.
I don't want to
flying with the family.
I don't want to jinx it. This is the best flight Kay's had yet in Mystic. If she can make the next 7 minutes work, she walks away a winner.
Hi.
This is the best flight you've had. Smooth, comfortable. The approach is doing well. The avionics are starting to make sense to us.
Yep.
It's great.
Love it.
Nanza 14 Quebec, contact Houston.
A lot of people like watching Kay fly without pops. And on the first flights, I'm in the plane a lot because we're just getting used to it and stuff. So she'll get back to flying alone and out and about in the world here pretty soon. But I think a couple more flights.
California soon.
She's going to fly to California, visit her grandparents, I think. Take Mystic, so that'll be fun for her. Then I think she's going to fly up to Vegas and meet me there.
You got a birthday to celebrate in September.
Not as much fun as when you're a little kid getting a birthday, because now it just reminds you hearing loss, memory loss.
Hey, no hair loss though.
I've got my full head of hair. I actually am in pretty good shape for my age, so I'm not doing too bad.
Hey, there's one loss that's a positive, weight loss.
Loss?
That's true.
A little thinner than I was. Doc said you had to get some weight off, so.
And we all decided to do it. Yes, we did. And we're all healthier for it. Yes, we are.
Yeah, we're past Bimpty already.
Or not. We got 5 miles to go.
Casco, we passed Bimpty.
Oh, that just updated on mine. Okay, cool.
Bimpty at or above 2,000, cleared for the RNAV-18 into TM8 if you're turning straight down.
Ah, I wanted to see if our plane shows up.
They're all geo-referenced, yep.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's pink. Would have been nice to have when we had Lil Red on that one approach. Man, that was crazy. We were flying into Washington when we went to PA.
Yeah, thing was off.
That was horrendous.
We'd never flown it, and all of a sudden the controller is like, go fly this. I don't even think it was published. He said, go fly to this VOR, just a bunch of weird instructions, but like, we're gonna need radar vectors for that. We couldn't find it. He was annoyed. We were annoyed. Everyone was annoyed.
Charlie Juliet, climb and maintain 10,000. Please to climb 10,000, 7 Charlie Juliet. Houston departure, Skyline 100 Hotel, climb at 300 for 1,800 airport. Number 100 Alpha Hotel, eastbound departure, radar contact.
I like seeing my
You came in, you're right on glide slope already?
Below 3,000.
2,000?
Bravo, below 3,000.
You're already on the approach glide slope, I think, aren't you? Oh, it
it's
hasn't
up
shown.
there, but
It hasn't shown up yet.
Papa, contact DME tower 126.907. Take care.
126.907. Have a good day. For Hotel Papa. Thanks. 26. Good morning, Executive Tower, Seneca 484, Hotel Papa with you on the approach.
484, Hotel Papa, Executive Tower, continue bound, report final approach fix.
We'll report final approach fix for Hotel Papa, thanks. Alright, we're gonna start our slow down now. Let at 4 miles, we can configure.
Alright, baby, you got your seatbelt on?
Yep.
Everything's good?
Of course.
Is your camera running?
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about that, yeah.
Okay.
Can't believe how green it is.
Oh, Houston?
Yeah.
Washington.
No, it's crazy.
There's nastier bugs down there.
Yes, there are.
Washington doesn't have the bugs that you have here.
Oh, definitely not. Okay. 2.8, still at 2,000. Airspeed's coming down, so that's looking much better already. So we will configure, do our gump check, make our call, and boom!
Ba-doom!
It's a new one. What? Ba-doom? I just said boom. Oh. That said ba-doom. Ah, I see. Next time I fly, I'm gonna bring a scorecard for your landing. Oh, great. It wasn't quite butter. I'm gonna call that chunky peanut butter.
Uh-oh. Your worst critic is in the back. We didn't even know.
No, I always tell her that she's been my first fan since day one, and she just lost that. It's exciting.
Definitely this is the most comfortable flight I've had. Comfort level with avionics, case flying, and stuff that I've had so far in this airplane. Very starting to become like a second home.
Told you, Mystic's a good girl. All right, I'm on the approach now. No more talking to me, but you guys feel free to talk to the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna fly.
Bravo, Roger, taxi to 18, Charlie Bravo Alpha.
All right, we're on the approach. We're going at about 135 miles per hour right now. And we're just hitting our final approach fix.
Tower Seneca 484 Hotel Papa is at final approach fix.
Roger, Papa, runway 18, clear to land.
18, clear to land for Hotel Papa, thanks. All right, we'll do one lap here, then gear. This comes forward. There we go. Just coming down. Green, one in the mirror. Looks good there.
Hard to pull?
Yep. All right, 500 is our minimums. Feet to go. Two bumps. Not wanting to let me fly. And minimums. Going visual, field light.
That was buttery bread.
Yeah, that was a great landing.
All
Yes!
in the flaps and speed.
I'm gonna do flaps 2.5, I guess, going forward.
So it's really windy.
No. 10 out of 10. Ooh. I got my butter back. Get your butter back.
Give me some bread, I got some butter.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for flying with us. We hope you had a blast. We definitely did. Make sure you smash that like button. It does help support the channel. Of course, subscribe so you never miss an adventure, excuse me, and we will see you next time. Bye. Bye. All right, we're done. And wrap!